Roblox error code 600 indicates that you've been banned from a specific game, also known as an experience, by its creator. This ban is enforced through Roblox ban API, which can restrict access based on various identifier, including your account, IP address, or device hardware. So what are the causes? The first one is a game-specific ban. So that means the game developer has explicitly banned your account from their game. So they personally banned your account, which probably means you did something bad. There's also an IP-based ban. So if one of your account is banned, other accounts using the same internet connection or IP address may also be restricted. There's also hardware IT bans. So in some games, they may implement bans based on your device hardware IT, preventing access even if you switch accounts or IP address. And then the fourth one, use of exploits or third-party tools. So if you cheat, right? So engaging in activities like exploiting or using unauthorized third-party tools can trigger ban that can result in error 600. So what is its potential solution? So note that it says potential, that I say potential, because some of these sometimes may not work depending on the severity of what you did. The first one is that you can try clearing the device cache. Some users have reported success by clearing the device cache, which can remove stored data that might be linked to the ban. You can also try using a different network, like switching to a different internet connection, such as using mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network can help if the ban is IP-based. And then you can also create a new account. So if the ban is account specific, creating a new Roblox account might grant you access to the game. However, this won't help if the ban is IP or hardware IT-based. The last one, and the very last one you can do, is that you can try contacting the game developer. So reach out to the game's developer to inquire about the ban and see if it can be lifted.